Hi everyone, I'm David G. Smith,
And I'm Julia Nurnay.
and we are here to talk to you about our one-day virtual How to Make Gin workshop. We started doing these during the lockdown, and they've been very popular. We've had people from Russia and Canada, South America, US, of course, lots of great people from the UK and Ireland as well, even on Australia. So we're bringing it to you again. It's a nice chance to it's a small class, and it's a nice chance to have a good chat with Julia and I about what your thoughts are, what your questions are about making gin. We have an outline of the things that we'll cover, but it really is about what you want to get out of the session, and that's what Julia and I are dedicated to doing. It's a nice informal but informative session, wouldn't you say, Julia?
Yes, and I think we will have many questions, but mostly it is about production methods, is maceration, how to treat or how to deal with your still, and how to dilute, and all these things. And I think we'll cover all this and a lot more.
Yeah, everything from the selection of botanicals to creating the recipe, to what still and the distillation, to the post-distillation things, and even some of those other sort of products, Navy, Old Tom gins, and that kind of thing. Really, like the day is designed for you to get as much out of it as possible. That's why we do it on Zoom. We can all see each other. We can have more of a conversation about these things. And hopefully you can pick up lots of tips that will help you save quite a lot of time and money, because it's a chance for you to tap into our collective knowledge and wisdom. So we look forward to seeing you. I know Julia does as well. And yeah, hopefully see you then.
Yes, see you. Bye-bye.